because in the last 1 year, this country has gone through immense amount of change, right? Immense amount of change with respect to its politics, the student protests that happened, right? The violence that was created, and after that, there has been an interim government and a new election, right? A very new people new government has come up with very new people, right? So in that regard, let's look at the country of Nepal, geographically at least. So in this particular context, if you look at the latitudinal division, there is the greater Himalayan range, right? Then there is the middle Himalayas. So this is the greater Himalayas, then there is the middle Himalayas, and then there is the Terai region, right? So there are three important latitudinal divisions. The greater Himalayas that are having the high Himalayan peaks, right? Mount Everest, Annapurna, right? Then there is this particular middle Himalayan range where there a lot of people are living, especially around this particular area of Kathmandu, right? A lot of population is living around the capital region itself, right? It's a mountainous plain, so density will not be that much high, but at least around these particular some of the important urban centers, there is a lot of population that is concentrated, all right? Then the Terai region is very interesting, right? This Terai region is actually an extension of the Indo-Gangetic plains itself, right? And it is not just a geographical extension, but in many ways, they are an extension culturally also, right? In many respects, religious, cultural, language, there are quite a few interconnections between the regions of this particular region here, Bihar, as well as UP, right? So this was with respect to the latitudinal division, right? Even the new Prime Minister is going to come from this particular region itself, the Terai region. It's a very interesting development that has happened. Now, the next one is the longitudinal division. Now, in case of longitudinal division, there are four important river systems. This is the Kali River, then Karnali River, right? Then there is Narayani, Gandaki or Gandak River, and then the sorrow of Bihar, that is Kosi River, right? So there are important river systems that you are going to find. All of these are originating in Tibet. They are originating in Tibet, right? They are not originating in Nepal Himalayas. They are originating in Tibet and then draining into the Ganga, right? So they are mostly tributaries of Ganga. So it becomes really important. See how culturally is also it is sandwiched between the two regional superpowers of India and China.